challenge yourself. Walk up 6 flights of stairs. A person does the following: walks the first 3 flights, rests for 30 seconds, walks the next 2 flights at the same rate of speed as before, and rest again for 30 seconds, and then walks the last flight of stairs at the same rate. Which graph represents the above scenario? So you have 4 graphs. Yeah. You can pause the video and try to find the correct graph related to this scenario. Okay. Now, I can tell you that the best choice here is choice D. Let's explain. So before the explanation, I want you to understand that graph and the chart now have advantages, and we have here some list of these advantages. But overall, understand that. Think critically, think outside the box, or feed your brain and improve your skills. This is the best advantages from questions involving graphs or charts. Okay, therefore, let's see this. This is an example of a graph, and we have this horizontal line for the time and the vertical line for the height. Understand this. The 0, that's the origin. Everything started here. So as you walk up, the height is increasing. So before you are at 0, now at some point here, you have the height is increases, and same time we have the time also moving up. So if you take a rest, it has to be something like this. During rest time, the height is not increasing anymore, but the time, yes, is increasing. So suppose you stop at 1 minute. So for 30 seconds, okay, you're gonna have 1 minute and 30 seconds because the time, is increasing, but the height is still like that. Okay, and if you walk up again, you'll see time and the height both are increasing. You take a rest, only the time is increasing, the height stay the same, and you continue. So that has to be the concept. Therefore, you'll see that if we take graph A, let's see what's going to happen. Graph A, yes, we have the origin, and from the origin, they walk up, walk up. So we have the blue, part of the graph is telling you that the time is increasing, the height is increasing. Okay, so the rest time, it has to be the time increasing, not the height. So it's like, okay, the time stays the same, but the height is increasing. No way, because you don't walk up anymore, you stop. So A is not the correct choice. Let's see B. This seems like we have this, yes, okay. We have the rest time, again walk up, rest, walk up. But the trick part for this B is that what? When the person walks the first 3 flights, okay, and the rest 30 seconds. After that, walk the next 2 flights. And the last flight. Okay. So for that, you have to understand that the distance works for each time the person walking up for the flight. These are not the same, because before it was 3, after that 2, after that 1, because we have 6 in total. So here it's like it's the same, which is not the case here. So the first time has to be longer than the rest. So first longer than the second, and the second longer than the third. That's what it's supposed to be, which is not the case there. Okay, if you see C, C looks similar to A. So C also cannot be the correct choice. B seems like, but it's not the correct choice, because like we said, 3 flight, 2 flights, and 1 flight, they don't have that same length. So not that. And the D confirm this, because we have this length, which is bigger than this one, which is also bigger than this one. And the rest time, we just see that, okay, the height is not increased anymore, but it's just the time. The reason D is the best choice. So this kind of practice help you, to think critically. So you'll see more of challenge questions in our next videos. Thank you.